How to profit from a dollar collapse. What the super rich know that you don't. Setting the stage for profit-taking from a dollar crash. Now that the Federal Reserve has reduced rates to between 0 and 0.25%, no sane person really has any confidence in the United States dollar. Wise investors believe that the dollar will plunge as a result of the government's multi-trillion-dollar bailout bill. The Federal Reserve is going to continue to print money, and this will lead to hyperinflation. Prices of goods will rise and the dollar will be worthless relative to the other currencies of the world and gold. China and other countries are going to begin to sell their dollars in an attempt to get the greatest return on them now before the dollar really crashes. When you sell something, like billions of dollars worth of dollars, the price of that thing will crash. This will mean that your life savings, if held in United States dollars, will devalue at a rate never before seen in history. And you'll be paying higher prices as a result of the inflation that is to come. What you need to do right now to preserve your wealth as the dollar plunges? Well, there are 3 things that they are doing right now. And probably only 2 that you can actually take advantage of. The first is that they are buying gold like there is no tomorrow. Because gold is going to go up, and it stores its value over time, unlike the dollars that your savings accounts are denominated in. The gold price on the TV is much lower than it is in reality. Those are paper markets, and they can be manipulated lower to make things look like they're going well. If you try to buy physical gold, you are going to be buying it for over $1,000 an ounce. As you can see, this gets expensive very fast, but you should buy some gold to save your wealth. The rich are also buying foreign stocks that pay dividends in foreign currencies that aren't crashing. This puts their wealth outside the dollar and gives them financial stability while their own economy is devastated. And they laugh all the way to the bank while doing it. They then buy tons of dollars with great exchange rates if they are living in the United States, because they have to buy things here. The rich also trade currencies to profit again from the collapse in the dollar in multiple ways. When the insanely wealthy buy currencies, they can actually bet against the dollar to make tons of money. This is actually done by buying currencies like the British pound and the euro while they are low relative to the dollar, and then buying back dollars when they crash relative to these 2 currencies. This way you get tons of dollars when the euro and the pound soar past the dollar. But the dollar was in a huge rally. Why would you bet against it now? The reason the dollar spiked abnormally was because all these hedge funds and banks had to pay off creditors, and they needed dollars to do it, because the debt was held in dollars. So they sold whatever they had, and then they had to then buy dollars to pay off their debt collectors. So when you buy billions of dollars worth of dollars, the price goes up. And that is why the dollar has spiked recently. However, in the past week this paying off has been stopping, and the interest rate is lowered, so the world is saying bye bye dollar, we don't think you are worth anything these days. Have fun falling into oblivion.